If you're looking to restore the functionality of your vehicle's vent window without paying dealership prices, this direct replacement vent window latch is the ideal solution. Designed to perfectly match the fit and function of the original latch on specified vehicles, this part is engineered to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Whether your original latch failed or you're simply upgrading your vehicle, this latch will restore full functionality, ensuring your windows are secure and noise-free. Made from high-quality materials, this vent window latch is built to withstand the elements, offering a durable solution that won't crack or fail prematurely. It also provides a cost-effective option compared to dealership replacements, without sacrificing quality. Backed by over a century of automotive expertise in the United States, this part ensures that you get the best performance and longevity for your vehicle. Customers have reported great success with this latch, with one reviewer sharing how it completely eliminated the annoying whistle and wind noise on their 1973 F100 after installation. The latch is easy to install, and with some simple adjustments, it can make a huge difference in your driving experience. If you're dealing with wind noise or a broken latch, this is the perfect replacement part for a quieter, more comfortable ride. Don't miss out on this affordable and reliable solution for your vehicle. Click the link in the description to get your vent window latch today, and enjoy a smoother, quieter drive.